Hey guys, Teresa here with Sippie Couture. I wanted to go ahead and explain this black one I did. I know I've typed it out a few times and it's all over the place, and a few of you are asking, so hopefully I can just get it out at one time. Nasty fingerprints all over this. So, I promise I'm not that gross, guys. Oh, something's wrong with me. Alright, so I did all black spray paint on this one. Super simple. All black spray paint, did Magnolia Opal tack-it over that. Then I went in with that chunky Louisiana lace only at the center, and then I did my black glitter ombre in at the ends. And sorry Nolas for pronouncing this wrong. Is it Desiree Jr.? Thank God I don't help my kids with spelling or anything. I have issues. Alright, so that's all this is, guys. It was super simple, super fun, quicker than the other. I didn't do that paint part in the middle at all for this one, and it came out just as gorgeous. I did two. One of them, my epoxy just went completely wonky, so that's in a big old strip bucket that I need to do something with at some point. So hopefully this helps. Sorry if this was just a mess of words everywhere. I'm just trying to get it out and answer these questions. Alright guys, can't wait to see what y'all do with this one.